You know, it occurred to me when I saw your post about the stairs, you could do this, and I tried it, and sure enough, it worked. Just going to draw a stair. I'm in X11. We'll do a camera view of this, and there's your usual default stairs. Now I'm going to click on those, open the dialog box. I'm going to go over here and dress it up a little bit, make the balusters slightly less than half an inch, make those an inch. This doesn't have anything to do with stringers, but I'm going to go over to Style and select Sync. We'll undo that and do Single Stringer. So we get something that looks, oh, one other thing, a minor issue. Trying to click on the stairs, they won't, oh, there it is. Wanted to make these thicker, make them 3 inches thick. Okay, now we got this single stringer here. What you do simply is go to Materials, opening the material under Miscellaneous, and paint that on the stringer. Voila. So that's how you can do it. Pretty easy and straightforward. Give it a shot. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps you in your quest. Good day.